In this video, I'll show you how you can get your voice ID in ElevenLabs. So it's really simple, just follow my steps. So you can get it from this text-to-speech, for example. Click on text-to-speech and here select the voice for which you want to get your voice ID. So I'm gonna select this Sam, for example, and click on the three dots and click on copy voice ID. So now you have your voice ID copied and you can use it on another platform. For example, I have this base 44 here and I'm gonna paste it here in my integration, and I can use this ElevenLabs integration here with the voice ID, and that's it. You can also find it from voices. Click on voices and from here scroll through the voices and just click on these three dots and copy voice ID. And that's how you can find your voice ID in ElevenLabs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.